One question I get a lot is, Freddie, how do you earn income with this digital marketing program? Well, number one, understand that there's 4 ways you can get started. There's 4 different programs you can start with. One is 100, one is 300, another one's 600, one is 900. What's the difference? Well, number one, the level of trainings and access to the complete program. Obviously, the more popular one is a $900 one, has over $1,800 worth of content, if you will. Also, depending on what you buy, you can resell, meaning you get 100% rights to resell the program. But if you only bought the 100, you can only sell 100, and so you only have access to whatever you bought, meaning when you put your site, you can't sell the other ones. So that's one way of earning income, and for some people, that's what they focus on: reselling the program, learning how to market, learning how to attract their ideal customer, and reselling the program, because the program itself is of benefit to a lot of people. And then number 2, you're learning the skill set of how to market from live trainings. I want to say there's like 6 in the community that are going on, apart from the plethora of trainings that there are on different subjects, from faceless marketing to TikTok to all the different social medias, how to attract people to you, what to say, hooks, lines, free classified ads. I mean, you name it, whatever it is you need to do to market organically and attract your ideal customer, and more importantly, identify what your ideal customer is, because some people might not even have an ideal customer, much less have a product, right? So what are we selling? We're reselling the program. Within the program, you are taught, if you want, how you can create a digital product and earn 100% of the profits. I see a benefit, and have seen a benefit with a lot of people learning the skill set to be able to market whatever they're offering. So I don't know, if they're selling products, if they're in network marketing, direct sales, and they're selling cosmetics, or they're selling nutritional products, those people need to find 2 types of people. They need to find people that buy those products, and number 2, they need to find people that want to sell those products and also buy them, right? So you're able to learn the skill set of how to attract your ideal distributor, rep, associate, whatever in your company and or customer. Now, you're not limited to network marketing. I reference it a lot if you see my videos, because that's been my background for a little over 2 decades. So it's a natural inclination to appeal to that, because I know a lot of people in that world, and I know that world very well. However, it is not limited to that. I've got people that have travel agencies, attorneys. We had some guys that had some construction, some remodelization business, all kinds of businesses. So, the question is, how do I make money with it? Reselling the program. That's the only way, unless you create a product from the program, but then you're not earning it from the program. You learn the skill set from the program, which is obviously a big thing within the community and whatnot, but you're not selling it because of it's not part of the program. You create it yourself. You just learn what to do, how to do it, so you can maximize every dollar and obviously get it out there. So hope this video clarifies a little bit, and I look forward to working with you. If you need information, say, Freddie, send me the details. I'm ready to rock and roll, ready to own my life. And or go to digitalpaysmedaily.com, digitalpaysmedaily.com, enter your email, and let's check the information, go through the sales pages, and go to the end. I will tell you, on the $900 program, it tends to be popular. We have payment plans where you can pay through Klarna and Afterpay. So if that's an option for you, if it makes sense, and that will help you get started, get it going, because you can start earning income right away. Once you set up your system, you start marketing, you can do that, pay it off, and obviously you're in profit mode. So this video went a little bit longer than I wanted to, but I think a lot of people have been asking, and so if you have questions, I have answers, like I will have and will continue to while we're building out this digital marketing business from our phone anywhere in the world. Take care, God bless, and you make it a great day.